depth mics. This is a Mito Toyo 0 to 6 inch set. Mito Toyo, made in Japan, 1/1000th of an inch increments. It reads just like a regular mic, just backwards. Right? You're measuring the length of a hole or a shoulder, something like that. Just goes backwards. That's all. Alright, let's do this. Let's see. We'll take this here. See? Let's see what we're doing there. Oh, we hit the ratchet thimble. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Let's lock it in place so it don't move. Let's see. Let's 677 and about 4/10, right? Let's see how I did that. Right? If we start screwing this out, that's at the 75 mark. Is that 0, right? Alright. That would be the 50 and the 25 and the 6, right? So that's 6.6 deep. 675, 76, 77, boom. See? Nothing to it. Now if you got to go in a deeper hole, you just got to take this out. Set that there. That's 1 to 2 inch. Of course, this is 0 to 1 inch. 1 to 2 inch, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Nothing to it. Just slide it in there. Screw the top on. You're ready to go. Set your depth. And turn this little knob here to lock it so you don't accidentally turn it before you get to read it, and it's all done. It's a done deal. So there's depth mics that I did not cover in my micrometer video. So since that went so quick, let's calibrate a set of mics. This is a 0 to 1 inch set of Mito Toyo here, part of a 0 to 3 inch set. This is the 0 to 1 inch set that are so used that all of the wording is rubbed off. Almost all the wording is rubbed off. This is the first set I ever had, I ever bought. So let's calibrate. I'm using the 500. You can, on the 0 to 1 inch set, you can just run it all the way into 0 and calibrate it at 0 if you want. That is an option. I'm going to use this 500 block just because it's there and I got it. Okay, we're 1 thou under, right? So now I'm going to take the wrench that came with the set, get it in the hole back there. Now that it's there, I have it here. I just push it a little bit till that's right. Let's try it again. Get it down there, set it. I'd say it's just a little bit off still. I'm going to lock it and take the block out. It's just easier to handle that way. And put the wrench back in the hole. There's the hole. Wrench in the hole. Little tiny tweak. Should be good. Oh, miss how big now. Oh, I must have missed it. Make sure my tips are clean. Got to make sure your tips, if you got dust or dirt in there, it don't work. It does not work. We're measuring stuff fine enough that dust and dirt does matter, unfortunately. So my half tint the wrong way. I said in my original video, it's not necessarily the easiest thing in the world to do. And it's not. If you work in a shop, try to have your inspector do it for you. They do it a lot. Till you get used to it anyway. I think I'm just like a 10th off now. I'm going to leave it. It's good enough for the video. There you go. How to calibrate micrometers. Again, you can run it into 0. Let's do that. Okay, another tip to quickly run a micrometer. Just run it up your arm. Zing. Right in. Okay, we're almost at 0. I don't want to slam it into 0. Right on 0. Looks good to me. 0.1 veneers lined up. I mean, the 9 is pretty close too, but good enough for our work. That's it. All right. Have a nice day. Go measure something.